Hey guys, happy holidays. Is it blurry? I don't know if that's any better. I just thought that I would turn on the camera and do a little get ready with me and a little vlog of what I'm doing today. It's gonna be a pretty chill day. I'm really not doing anything. I'm going to the gym later tonight, and to get myself in the mood, I have my sports bra and my gym clothes on right now. I went to Ulta and I got this. I hear people. I normally don't wear makeup on an everyday basis, but since I'm going to be in front of the camera today, do a little something since I'm going to be in front of the camera. I'm just going to do a little bit of brows and maybe a little bit of concealer because I don't want to waste my makeup, but I also don't want to look like complete shit, so this is what we're gonna do. I can't find my concealer, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of the foundation as my concealer because I don't feel like, you know, I got on the carpet. So as a concealer. Maybe a little bit of mascara so I don't look dead. So it looks like I have some sort of lashes. But that's it. I done. My back has been hurting. My posture is like freaking terrible. I feel like this vlog is gonna be a mess. I'm a mess. I have this one here that I need to wrap and I need to open it. I need to make sure that everything in here is right. Scissors. So this is should be the present, couple presents for John. It took so long for this to come, and then it didn't even say that it was delivered. When I went into my PO box, it was there. So I don't know what's up with the UPS up here, but oh, how cool. Oh, babe, don't watch this portion, thanks, because you'll ruin your Christmas, and I'll know if you watch. How cool. Maybe I shouldn't put it in. Let me show you guys. My posture is just bad. I need to be like this, but I'm like this. Okay, so I am burning a cinnamon pumpkin right now, and then this one soy like homemade candle that my sister got me for my birthday smells really good, so it's like back there on the table right there. Let me start with, I guess, the ones that I've been burning. So I have the marshmallow fireside, and this one's like, every time I would smell this inside of the store, I didn't like it for some reason, and finally this year it's like growing on me. I don't know if it's because like I'm changing, if that makes sense. I don't know. But this one is, you guys know, marshmallow fireside. I'm not gonna read the notes. So I got that one, and then the other one I've been burning right now is champagne toast, and this one kind of smells like fruity. It has orange essential oil and sparkling berries. That's not all the notes, but That's some of them, and I love how it's like pink and like with the glitter. That one smells really good. And then I just got 3 more because of the Candle Day sale where they were like selling them for $8. That was a really good deal. Couldn't pass that up. So I ended up getting Leaves, which is like a fall time candle, but they had it online, so I got it. And this one has to be one of my favorite ones. And I don't know, like if you've never smelled Leaves, you have to just go smell it because it's not something that you can really describe. It just smells really good. And I decided to get one that you can only get online exclusive. And I haven't burned this one yet, but this one is Toasted Vanilla Chai. And if you know me, you know that I like vanilla chais. Like that's my favorite from Starbucks, so that's why I got this. It kind of reminds me of the Marshmallow Fireside, but a little different. It doesn't have like that the fireside smell to it, if that makes sense. Last but not least, I have the Red Velvet Cupcake. This smells so good. So when I first smelled it, like, and it wasn't burnt, I burned this one last night, and it didn't smell that great. Like it smells good, but it doesn't smell like hecka good. Fresh Balsam Concentrated Room Spray, and I decided to get this to spray on the tree because this year we have a fake tree and I'm not used to fake trees. I love real trees, but it is really concentrated. When we first got it, I sprayed it in my car and I didn't know it was like that concentrated. Like I didn't read that it was concentrated. I just thought it was a room spray. And so I sprayed it into my car. I sprayed the underneath of like the seat, and then I did the driver's seat, and it was so strong, and it really does. It does smell like trees. So this is a good one. I want to pick up more room sprays in different scents. So I've been using these two, which is the Winterberry Wonder. I have it in the shower gel, and then I also have it in the lotion. Love these two. This is probably my favorite like body care scent that they have. I love it. It smells so good. So I've been using this. I'm obviously the Mary Cherry Cheer shower gel, and then I got the Winter Candy Apple. So that is what I got from Bath and Body Works. Let me see if I can like, how can I pose for the, okay. Ooh. Hopefully I got a good shot. So I need to make my bed and clean the room and the house. And let me just do like a little time lapse thing. Okay, so I'm gonna be making, is that better? Yeah. I'm gonna be making a open-faced chicken salad sandwich. And I already pre-made my chicken salad bread, toasting a slice of bread right now. And then I'm gonna put this everything seasoning bagel blend on it. It's kind of like the one that people use from Trader Joe's, I believe. But I just put this on top. And I'm gonna eat a cutie with it because I like cuties and I need to get rid of them. Yeah, chicken salad with a cutie, and I usually have water. I have a little bit of water over here. Water. Okay. I'm gonna eat this. Be right back. So I am going to wrap the presents now. Got on my hoodie, the heater's on, and I got my fuzzy penguin socks ready to go. I'm gonna wrap these presents and watch some Vampire Diaries on Netflix. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be closing off the video. It's about maybe 4:50, almost 5 o'clock. John is usually coming home around this time, so I was gonna start on dinner. I was gonna make chili for myself and chicken strips and french fries for him, just because it's what we have left in our fridge and we need to go grocery shopping soon. I just wanted to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. There's a lot of you guys now. You guys are completely strangers and you don't owe me anything, but it just makes me so happy of how many people want to support me and watch my videos, and it's so nice. And it's been a really crazy year with different types of friendships that come in and out of my life, and it's just crazy how just random people want to support me, and so I just wanted to say thank you for that. But yeah, so give my video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe, because I promise you there will be more videos. Comment what you want me to do next in a video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.